Adventure fam.
Good morning.
We are in Cabo San Lucas. Well, almost. We are docking soon, I think. We were just out on our balcony, and it is so peaceful. It's beautiful here.
The water's very calm. You can feel the boat kind of going back and forth, but the water's really calm. It's supposed to be a really hot day, but we're excited.
Yeah, so we have an excursion planned today. We're doing an ATV ride through the canyon, and I think it also has a Mexican lunch and a tequila tasting. I know that Lincoln and Autumn, well, Lincoln mostly, and myself are very excited for this. Are you excited for this?
Yeah, I mean, I've never done an ATV. It's a little scary, so we'll see.
I think it's going to be so much fun. We're going to have a great time. So we'll be out most of the morning and afternoon, and then we'll come back and have some good stuff. And then tomorrow is another Cabo day where we're going to go to the beach. So lots of action to come. Come on with us. To our ATV tour. Not sure if we're going to be able to video. I'm going to try with the GoPro, but we'll see. All right, so we've arrived at the location and we're waiting for our tour to start. It's a cool spot. There's camels here, and you can do Polaris rides. There's the ATVs. We're doing the ATV tour, so excited for that. It took us about 45 minutes to get here on a bus. Beautiful landscape, very, very dry, but a lot of mountains, and then up the coast you can see the ocean as well. So looking forward to this. Thank you. Wow.
Chicken, yes.
Gracias. Tequila time!
What am I doing? Is that what he said? We're not sure what's that. They might seem like the best, and they not like us, right?
They're not like us.
You guys gonna help me or what?
Yeah!
All right, guys. So right here, guys, we have for you tequila blanco, tequila reposado. Right, guys? One more thing. I'm not a chicken! I'm not a fly! I'm not a fly! I drink tequila! I drink tequila! And I will survive! And I will survive! Salud! Salud!
Hey! Did you guys have a good time?
Great time.
This is awesome. Thanks for coming along, guys. Love you.
Love you. No, love you. I thought you were talking to them. Sorry.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
We stopped to get a drink and I was looking at the pretty stairs and there she was just looking at me. I'm so excited. And look, we have an elephant too. That's really cute. And a big oh, took my bear away.
Oh, he is adorable. I love elephants and his little eyes. So cute. All right, we just got back to the room after our ATV excursion. Man, that was so much fun, but also we are filthy. If this shoe is any indication, look at what happens when I untie my shoes. I don't know if you could see it, but like the other shoe that I untied, like the dust went we are literally covered in...
True. Autumn, I just got done from seeing Autumn and she said she had to scrub twice to get all the dirt off. It was amazing. I would do it time and time again, but if you do it, I highly recommend wearing pants.
Yeah, and like sunscreen or like a rash guard or something, because the sun is brutal, but incredibly fun. Look what Autumn found. A tiny one.
Little baby duck.
Don't want to. Beautiful lady.
Yeah, go the other side. I can't.
They good?
All right off.
You doing a Carnival cruise when you're enjoying the music and you're really hungry at night? You get pizza delivered. Yeah, Carnival, you're the best. Wow, what a great day.
It was a great day.
We had such a fun time today on the ATV excursion. That was awesome. Seriously, you should definitely, if you're here in Cabo San Lucas, Cabo Adventures, Carnival has, you can book it through them. Everything was great. Mm-hmm. And then we came back, had a great dinner, and pretty much spent the rest of the night in the atrium watching just this awesome little duo band.
We were talking about how the last couple cruises we've been on with Carnival, we've found a band that we just really like and a cool place to like hang out and just enjoy the music. We also tonight, so we have a little bit of onboard credit, and so we were like, we could use a snack. And I was looking through the Hub app, and there's an option to have some snacks delivered to you. It's mostly pizza. There's a couple other options. So we had a pizza delivered to us in the atrium, which was great. This guy comes up, he's dancing a little bit to the music, hands us our pizza in a box, some napkins, and it was so cool, so much fun.
Yeah, and it was just like, we didn't have to go anywhere, which was awesome. So we got to enjoy the music and the drinks and have pizza right there. It was awesome. So we're going to bed because we've got another day in Cabo San Lucas tomorrow, and we are going to the beach. So
Woo-hoo!
More fun stuff coming up. We'll see you there.
Try not to get sunburned tomorrow. I'm already still a little red.
I mean, the sun down here is no joke, y'all. Seriously.
No, not at all. Lincoln today, so we all did the ATV thing. Lincoln comes back to the ship and takes a shower, and he has tan lines from the straps from the excursion we did. So they give you like elbow and knee pads, and he has all these like stripes on his arm. It's really funny. So the heat here, no joke. So we'll be careful. Lots of sunscreen if you're going to do this in the future, but we're excited.
Morning. It is beach day in Cabo San Lucas. We are all ready to go. About to go head to Medano Beach. We're gonna have a good time today.
Packed and ready
Made it
to
to
go.
Medano Beach. This place is pretty crazy. It's packed.
Yeah.
And we are, so you can see it goes all the way this way, and then all the way this way, and there's vendors trying to sell you everything, but the ship is right there. We're gonna swim. It's gonna be awesome. Where you going, babe?
What's wrong?
You alright over there? So we are done with swimming and had a great time, but we found this little, I don't know, bar, restaurant off of the beach, just right on the beach, and we're gonna get some chips and salsa and some guacamole and some drinks and enjoy some time before we head back to the ship.
Paloma done right, you go to Mexico.
It's a cute glass too.
Oh, wait, here, this angle.
Oh, cute little face. Fine.
Another duck.
Oh,
That
it's
makes three.
little chubby guy. back in the room for a fun beach day and another friend. Hello, sir. Well, after a very busy day, some of us took naps. I played in the casino a little bit. Oh, got some more ducks. And we're about to go to dinner, and we're trying a new place tonight. We're going to go to Gigi Asian Kitchen, which is one of the specialty restaurants here. This is the first ship that we've been on that has that restaurant. So we're going to check it out. It's Asian food from, the food is from different locations all over Asia. So excited to check that out and see how it is. So let's go get some food.
Excuse me, I didn't get one.
Someone dress up as Cat in the Hat.
Cheers. Rely on longtime friends to give you advice.
A package or letter is important to you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We'll be on the ship still. Maybe something gets mailed to the house.
The art of keeping secrets will be your key to success.
Oh.
Don't lose sight of what you want.
Yeah, that's right. Don't.
Can I get a real oh yeah?
Hello everyone, it's been an eventful day. We had our second day in Cabo, which was amazing, very hot, but beautiful. We had a lot of fun. Did you have fun?
I did.
Then we came back here, we had dinner at the Japanese restaurant, not Japanese, the Asian restaurant, and it was delicious. Unfortunately, Jared's not feeling very well tonight, so he went to bed a little early, but Autumn and I stuck around. We listened to the rock band downstairs. It's 80s night. We went to the 80s rock and glow party upstairs, which was awesome. What did you think?
It was amazing.
Yeah, so we had a great time, great night. So excited for what's yet to come, so we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.